Everyone wants the built car, but nobody talks about what it feels like trying to build one when you have no sponsors, no free parts, and every mod comes out of your own pocket. People see the GR86 and think that the build is moving. Yes, I've just done few mods, but what they do not see is that every part takes time, every decision also takes money, and every mistake hurts more than when nobody is covering it for you. Like, having a sponsor is one of the main things for every content creator. Like, no sponsors means no free parts, no discounts, no brands sending stuff for you to test for them, and no easy yes to every mod you want. Every mod becomes like, can I afford it right now? Is it worth delaying something else? And do I even want this enough to pay it for myself? And this is where it gets brutal. Like, building a car without sponsors is not easy, but it's slow. Like, you have to pick between mods, between your life, between savings, and between expenses that you have to cover. And to be honest, this is the part that people don't even post about and tell anyone about. Like, anyone can try to make a build look exciting when parts keep showing up, but it's different when it keeps coming out from your pocket. Like, this is what makes you slow down, and this is what makes you question every purchase in your life. And honestly, that's what makes every build smarter. There are mods I want right now. Like, there are things I would love to do next on the GR86 or even the Corolla. But when you're paying it by yourself, you do not get to build only with emotion. You get to build with patience too. So yeah, building a GR86 or a Corolla with no sponsors is brutal. But it only forces you to be intentional. Every part means more to you. Every decision matters more. And every step feels like it's earned, and it feels like it comes a lot from you, from your hard work. But be honest, would you rather build slower with your money, or try to rush your build just so it looks like you're progressing? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.